নমস্কাৰ এটা বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠান আৰু এগৰাকী বিশেষ ব্যক্তিৰ সৈতে মই নাজিৰ আহমেদ অসমৰ শিক্ষাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰখনত শেহতীয়াকৈ এক নতুন সংযোজন হৈছে অসমৰ শৈক্ষিক ভৱিষ্যতত এক নতুন সংযোজন নৱতম সংযোজন সকলোৰে বাবে হাতীশিলাত শেহতীয়াকৈ স্থাপন হ'ল দ্য ডাউনটাউন স্কুল অধ্যক্ষা মায়া ফাৰ্নাণ্ডেজ আমাৰ মাজত উপস্থিত আছে তেওঁৰ সৈতে আমি কিছুমান কথা পাতিম হেল্ল' এণ্ড ৱেলকাম মেম ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল ভেৰি হেপী নিউ ইয়েৰ and most welcome. As for my information, you have an experience of 16 years in teaching English across the country. You are a vlogger, you are a traveler.
Yes.
Tell us more about yourself.
Well, like you rightly mentioned, yes, I have around 16 years of industry experience into teaching English across the country. Apart from that, my academic qualification stands that I've done my MBA, MA in English, and I've also done my B.Ed and TEFL, that is Teaching English as Foreign Language. I have been teaching across India, courtesy my husband's job. He's a colonel with the Indian Army, and that brings me here to downtown to take up this responsibility.
Okay, you are also a member of All India Education Forum.
Yes, I am an active member of All India Education Forum at this point of time as well. And apart from that, I have also worked in smaller teams of CBSE and NCERT on different projects as well.
Okay, why have you come to the downtown school specially?
Well, actually, everybody has their own motivation to join a particular organization. और मेरे लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी था कि I am surrounded with people who are positive, who are happy. So that was one reason. Apart from that, downtown is a name which is famous in the education sector as well as in the health industry. And then again, I love challenges. So I could not resist the challenge of taking up a role of a founder principal of such a prestigious and proud project of downtown. So that's what brings me here.
Okay, why the downtown school is special? Why should parents choose the downtown school?
Well, education literally means that filling up an empty mind, okay? And this is exactly what the downtown school is talking about. We want our children to be thinkers, to be leaders. We want them not just to know, but to do and know. Apart from the state-of-the-art infrastructure that downtown Hathisila School has, spacious classrooms, humongous swimming pool, trained qualified educators, and of course the backup of a strong management, we at downtown school plan to have our children learn from the utopian culture. We want them to understand the concepts and then choose their skill sets eventually when they grow up. So that is one reason that downtown school is separate. Apart from that, we are also following our pedagogy. The method that we are taking is as per the CBSE, the new policies of NEP, where we are talking about experiential learning, where the child is doing and then learning on its own. And then again CBE, that is competency-based education, which is going to be one more focus at downtown school. So all this coming together and then making it as a premium day boarding school, that's why downtown is different from others.
Okay, after the situation of COVID-19 pandemic, the education system has almost collapsed. And how will you and the downtown school focus on your goals?
Okay, see, you said it very rightly. The most badly hit people are the young children, because unke 2 saal of childhood, of happiness, of fun have gone. So, sabse pehli baat to at downtown school, the focus will be to be a little more sensitive, a little more kind towards our children. They need kindness. Apart from that, there is something called social learning at school, which has taken a major hit because of the pandemic. The children did not go to school, so they did not learn the social etiquette, social mannerism, which they are generally groomed at in a school. So that is where we are going to focus, and we are going to try and teach them.
2 years of childhood.
Yes.
This means a lot.
It does means a lot. It does mean a lot. So that is where we would be focusing on trying to tell them how to share things, how to help each other, how to agree, how to disagree also. It's very important part of a personality. That is where the downtown school.
And after this COVID situation, mental health is going to be a big issue.
Absolutely. So that's why I said, as educators, we will have to be sensitive, we will have to be kind, and we will have to, of course, there is a definitely a gap between teaching and learning, which we will fill up. But apart from that, it's not just the education, it's the social etiquette, the social learning that has taken a hit. That is where we will be focusing now.
Okay, that's great. What are your future plans? Like,
Well, Downtown is a school, or rather, Downtown School is a project which is only going to get bigger and better. So, as a founder principal, my focus will be to deliver what we have committed and to maintain the quality. The numbers are not important. It's very important that how much a difference we are making in the child's personality. So, yes, quality is going to be the focus, and we are going to try get better at what we are trying to deliver.
okay, you are going to be the first founder principal.
Yes.
So this is going to be tough, if I'm not wrong.
It is going to be challenging. Tough is for people who find it difficult. I think it is going to be challenging and a very interesting, challenging project, I must say.
And you look like you love challenges, taking challenges.
Yes, I do. I do enjoy challenges. What's the fun without some ruffles?
Okay, like how you see the downtown school after 5 years, after 10 years?
Well, like I said, Downtown School is a project which is only going to get bigger and better. So I am looking at Downtown School as a school which is going to be amongst the top 5 schools across the country, just like the Downtown University, which has scored its name. So yes, the aim is to reach there, and we are not much in a rush, but yes, we are going to ultimately reach.
Okay, now going some in entertaining part. Guwahati is great. How do you feel being in Guwahati? How Guwahati invites you?
Well, this is my first time in Guwahati, and I must tell you, I love the people out over here. They are very friendly. People are coming out to help me, and then that also with a big smile on their face. And it's very interesting. And they say Guwahati is the gateway to Northeast. So I'm really looking forward. Like I said, I love to travel. I'm really looking forward to explore the entire Northeast now that I'm over here. And I should specially mention the Tenga chicken that I tried, and it was wonderful.
And the food here is so delicious.
Yes, it is. I really enjoyed the food.
Okay. Wish you all the best
Thank
for
you
your
so
new
much.
project, new concept. And I hope that the downtown school is going to set a landmark for the education system of whole Assam or Northeast.
Thank you.
And
Amen.
thank you so very much for wishing and sharing your experiences. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
শেহতীয়াকৈ যি সংযোজন হৈছে হাতীশিলাত স্থাপন হৈছে সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ আৰু এই অনুভৱখিনি বাইদেৱে আমাৰ লগত ভাগ বতৰা কৰিলে তাৰ কাৰণে বাইদেউকো ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ পুনৰবাৰ নৱবৰ্ষৰ শুভেচ্ছা জনাই বিদায় মাগিছোঁ ধন্যবাদ